Hi everybody, this is Alex with Dark Raven Games, and I'd like to thank you for stopping into our Juggernaut Kickstarter that we're launching today. We've had a blast doing this, doing these soundscapes for the last several years. I've been working some of these soundscapes I put together by myself, and we've had other partners join us recently. And Dark Raven Europe is what I feel like is a science fiction team. We've got a guy named Mateusz Ratz in Poland who does amazing science fiction-y stuff, and he just loves this. And we had a great time sitting down and working out what the tracks for Juggernaut would be like. And so Juggernaut, what we envision it to be, is 20 tracks to take you through every nook and cranny of a massive industrial space prospecting starship. And we've had a great time coming up with these things. We've got the computer room, we've got the science room, we've got the stasis room, we've got the bridge in different conditions, we've got hostile boarding actions. So basically, if you get the basic package, you get 8 tracks of this, and if you get the premium package, you get 20 tracks. I think that the premium package early bird special is $29. And if you get the super, and that's all brand spanking new stuff. It hasn't appeared anywhere in any of our Dark Raven catalog before. And if you go to the super premium option, that will give you an additional 16 tracks where we'll throw in all 16 Starship tracks from our previous work, so that you've got a total of 36 tracks for Starship backgrounds for your tabletop games. 36 tracks for everything from the landing bay to a battle station in use, to the death of a starship, all kinds of awesome stuff. 36 tracks at the super premium level. But like I said, again, the basic level and the premium level are all brand spanking new tracks, 20 brand spanking new tracks, and the super premium level adds 16 tracks from what we've already done, okay? Also, so you know, I'm not the best programmer, so a couple months ago I wasn't happy with our internet server, our sales store provider on our website, darkravengames.com, and our website wasn't working anymore for sales. But now I've gone in, I spent most of the day yesterday fixing this. I'm not a great programmer, but I got it to work. Yay! So I spent most of the day fixing this yesterday, so our store's up and running again. That's awesome. So that's available to you as well. So anyway, check this out here. This is Moscow City, and I'm here visiting a friend right now, and I think it's really, really amazing architecture. This reminds me of stuff that I used to draw when I was 12, 13 years old, dreaming about the future, watching the movie Blade Runner, thinking, wow, that would be awesome. Look at those cool buildings. And freak, man, when you walk around Moscow City, it looks like something out of Blade Runner. There are buildings over there where the advertisements are like 15 stories tall, and constantly moving. It's really, really interesting. I have to say, Moscow's been a really interesting place to visit. So anyway, thank you so much again for stopping by Juggernaut. Check out the information below. The way to use it is to look at the black area where we present the products, decide on what you like, and then go over and look for the corresponding backer level on the right hand side. Okay, it doesn't really make sense to look through the right hand side all by itself. Check out the black area below, where we describe the products and do a really nice job of describing them, and then look for the corresponding price and backer level on the right side. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for stopping in. Bye. And thanks for making all this possible. Seriously. Bye. I'm at 504 to send him AT 3000. That's 12:31 o'clock. Yeah, episode 24 now. Yeah, episode 24, maintain visual separation from the cannon aircraft, visual approach, runway 4 right. Visual 4 right, maintain visual separation from traffic. Combat 504, reduce speed of 170 for tower space. You get following
Recording in 90 characters.